Welcome, fellow adventurers, to a captivating journey into the realm of Menahden. In this immersive exploration, we will delve into the intriguing world of these enigmatic fish, uncovering their ecological significance, cultural heritage, and the myriad ways in which they intertwine with our lives. Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the secrets of Menahden's habitat, their remarkable role in the intricate web of marine life, and the delicate balance they maintain in our precious ecosystems. From their humble beginnings as filter feeders to their awe-inspiring migrations, there is much to discover about these resilient creatures. Join us as we embark on a voyage of knowledge and discovery, where we'll navigate the depths of their habitat, unravel their ecological importance, and unearth the cultural threads that connect us to their captivating story. From their historical significance to their vital contributions in sustaining diverse ecosystems, Menahden truly hold a place of prominence in both nature and human affairs. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to embark on an unforgettable expedition. Let us immerse ourselves in the wonder of Menahden, celebrating their rich heritage and appreciating the vital role they play in shaping the world we inhabit. Welcome to this extraordinary adventure into the realm of Menahden. Menahden, commonly known as moss bunker or bunker, belong to the genera Brevortia and Ethmidium. These marine fish are classified under the order Clupeiformes and are considered essential forage fish. The term Menahden originates from the combination of Pogaden and an Algonquian word similar to Narragansett, Munafatog. This name is derived from Munoquoto, which reflects their historical usage as fertilizer. Historical accounts suggest that the Pilgrims, guided by Tisquantum, also known as Squanto, were advised to incorporate Menahden into their crop cultivation. Menahden, with their ecological significance and diverse applications, have become a subject of interest. Description: the fascinating characteristics of Menahden. Menahden exhibit unique physical traits that distinguish them from other fish species. With a flat body structure, they possess tender flesh and a prominently forked tail. These fish typically measure no more than 38 centimeters in length and vary in weight across individuals. Notably, Gulf Menahden and Atlantic Menahden, both belonging to the Menahden family, showcase distinct features. These small fish are known for their oily flesh, lustrous silver coloration, and the presence of a series of smaller spots located behind the primary humeral spot. When compared to yellowfin Menahden and fine-scale Menahden, they tend to have larger scales. Furthermore, the tail rays of yellowfin Menahden stand out with a vivid yellow hue, providing a striking contrast to the tail rays of Atlantic Menahden. The remarkable characteristics of Menahden contribute to their ecological significance and further highlight their intriguing nature. Ecology. Menahden's vital role in the ecosystem. Menahden, as filter feeders, exhibit fascinating ecological behaviors. They form large, closely packed schools, traversing the waters with mouths wide open to capture sustenance. Their feeding mechanism allows them to intake materials in proportions similar to their surrounding aquatic environment. Menahden primarily rely on two main food sources, phytoplankton and zooplankton. Interestingly, the dietary preferences of these fish undergo significant changes throughout their lifespan, closely linked to their size. Younger Menahden, typically below 1 year old, primarily consume phytoplankton. As they mature, adult Menahden gradually shift their diet to predominantly zooplankton. As omnivorous filter feeders, Menahden play a crucial role in the ecosystem by straining plankton and algae from the water. Alongside oysters, which filter water on the seabed, Menahden serve as key components in the food chain within estuaries and bays. Specifically, Atlantic Menahden serve as a vital link between plankton and higher-level predators. Due to their adept filter feeding abilities, Menahden consume and redistribute a significant amount of energy within and between important habitats like the Chesapeake Bay and other estuaries, as well as the coastal ocean. Their abundance and ecological function make them invaluable prey for numerous predatory fish species such as striped bass, bluefish, mackerel, flounder, tuna, drums, and sharks. Additionally, Menahden are a vital food source for various bird species, including egrets, ospreys, seagulls, northern gannets, pelicans, and herons. In 2012, the Atlantic States Marine Fisheries Commission declared the Atlantic Menahden as depleted due to overfishing. This decision was driven by concerns regarding water quality in the Chesapeake Bay and the unsuccessful attempts to reintroduce predator species, which faced challenges due to the insufficient availability of Menahden for their sustenance. Beyond their role as a keystone species within the food web, menhaden provide crucial ecological services. Their filtering of phytoplankton helps mitigate toxic algal blooms, which can have detrimental effects on various fish, bird, and marine mammal species. These algal blooms often lead to hypoxic conditions. By consuming the preyed upon phytoplankton, which are photosynthetic organisms converting sunlight into energy, menhaden transfer this energy to larger fish species, birds, or mammals. Consequently, the elimination or significant reduction of menhaden populations would severely limit energy transfer among trophic levels. Thus, menhaden truly embody a keystone species, offering invaluable ecological services that extend to humans as well. Habitat. The migratory patterns of menhaden. Menhaden are pelagic fish that exhibit distinct schooling behavior and migratory tendencies. During the summer months, they migrate inshore, while in winter, they move offshore. The migration patterns of menhaden are influenced by seasonal changes and their need to access suitable feeding grounds and reproductive habitats. Juvenile and larval menhaden undertake remarkable migration journeys as they navigate towards shore and inland waterways, propelled by ocean currents. These young fish utilize these coastal areas to grow and develop, primarily by feeding on phytoplankton. As they mature, their diet gradually transitions to zooplankton. The habitat range where commercially caught menhaden are found varies in terms of salinity. These fish have been observed in waters with salinity levels ranging from around 5 to 24 parts per thousand. Additionally, menhaden have been documented in hypersaline waters with salinity levels as high as 60 parts per thousand. Menhaden's ability to adapt to varying salinity conditions and their migration patterns contribute to their ecological resilience and widespread distribution. Understanding their habitat preferences and migration dynamics is crucial for effective management and conservation of these important fish species. Reproduction. The intriguing reproductive cycle of menhaden. Menhaden engage in external reproduction within open ocean environments. However, during the reproductive process, females do not carry eggs internally. Instead, the eggs are released into the water column as planktonic gametes. Currently, functional hermaphroditism has not been observed in this species, and the determination of an individual's sex cannot be made externally due to the absence of accessory reproductive organs. The breeding season for menhaden occurs during the winter months, specifically from December to March. It is during this time that the eggs and juveniles undertake a remarkable journey, propelled by tides and currents, as they navigate towards estuaries and inland waterways. These habitats provide the necessary conditions for the survival and development of the young fish. The reproductive cycle of menhaden, with its unique characteristics and reliance on environmental cues, adds to the complexity of their life history. Understanding the intricacies of their reproductive behavior is essential for effective conservation measures and the sustainable management of menhaden populations. Human use. The versatile utilization of menhaden. Menhaden, while not directly consumed as food for humans, serve a valuable purpose in various industries through processing. They are transformed into fish oil and fish meal, which find application as food ingredients, animal feed, and dietary supplements. The flesh of menhaden is particularly notable for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, making it a sought-after source for extracting beneficial nutrients. Fish oil derived from menhaden is not only utilized in dietary supplements but also serves as a raw material in the production of diverse products, including lipstick. The inclusion of menhaden-derived fish oil in the cosmetic industry highlights the wide-ranging applications of this versatile resource. By converting menhaden into fish oil and fish meal, multiple sectors benefit from their valuable nutritional properties and contribute to various aspects of human consumption and well-being. The utilization of menhaden in such diverse industries underscores the importance of sustainable management practices to ensure the long-term availability and responsible use of this valuable marine resource. Uses of menhaden oil, promoting health in humans and animals. While menhaden may not be commonly consumed as food, the oil extracted from these fish offers numerous benefits for both humans and animals. One key aspect of menhaden oil is its high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to various health advantages. Let's explore some of the applications and advantages of menhaden oil. For humans, the omega-3 fatty acids found in menhaden oil play a crucial role in promoting cardiovascular health. These fatty acids have been associated with lowering blood pressure, correcting abnormal heart rhythms, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes, and offering other notable health benefits. As a result, Menahden oil is often utilized as a supplement to support individuals with these specific health concerns. Menahden oil also provides benefits to animals. In the case of chickens, when Menahden oil is incorporated into their feed, it has been observed to reduce the incidence of fatty liver disease. This can be attributed to the high content of omega-3 fatty acids in Menahden oil, which replace less beneficial omega-6 fatty acids in the animal's diet. Another animal that benefits from the omega-3 fatty acids in Menahden oil is guinea pigs. When given Menahden oil in their feed, guinea pigs have shown an extended lifespan. The versatile applications of Menahden oil demonstrate its potential to contribute to both human and animal well-being. Its rich omega-3 fatty acid content makes it a valuable resource for promoting health in various contexts. However, it is important to ensure the sustainable sourcing and responsible management of Menahden populations to maintain their availability for future use. The dangers of overfishing. Implications for Menahden populations. The Chesapeake Bay Foundation emphasizes the critical importance of Menahden in the bay ecosystem. These fish serve as a vital food source for commercially significant species such as striped bass, playing a crucial role in sustaining their populations. Additionally, Menahden help regulate algal bloom occurrences in the bay by consuming phytoplankton. A decline in Menahden populations can leave striped bass more susceptible to diseases and disrupt the delicate balance of the food chain. Over the past 2 decades, there has been a concerning decrease in the number of juvenile Menahden produced in the Chesapeake Bay. This decline is attributed to the overfishing of Menahden driven by the demand for their fish oil. The repercussions of such overfishing pose a significant threat to the overall ecosystem and its functioning. In response to this issue, the Atlantic States Marine Fisheries Commission took action in October 2020 by implementing a cap on the harvest of Atlantic Menahden. This marked the first ever coast-wide reduction of 10% in the Menahden harvest. Notably, this decision also introduced ecological reference points as benchmarks for setting catch limits. Unlike previous approaches that primarily considered the fishing industry's demands, these reference points take into account the species' role within the food chain. This shift in management strategies acknowledges the importance of preserving Menahden's ecological function. The harvest reduction resulted in a designated quota of 194,400 metric tons of Menahden for the fishing season of 2021-2022. The intention behind this measure is to allow Menahden to fulfill their ecological role while maintaining the viability of the commercial fishery. Preserving the balance of Menahden populations is vital for the health and sustainability of the Chesapeake Bay ecosystem. Implementing responsible fishing practices and considering the ecological impact are crucial steps towards safeguarding the delicate web of life in the bay. Cultural significance of Menahden and shanty singing. In the 1870s, the discovery of Menahden as a valuable alternative to whale oil sparked a significant shift in the Chesapeake Bay fishery. African American crews predominantly operated the Menahden fishery, utilizing open boats and employing purse seines for their work. To synchronize the hauling of nets, these crews relied on the rhythmic chants known as sea shanties. Drawing inspiration from West African, blues, and gospel influences, the African American workers developed a unique shanty singing culture that resonated with their experiences. Sea shanties played a vital role in the labor-intensive process of hauling nets, serving as a means of coordination and communication among the crew members. These rhythmic songs helped synchronize their efforts and maintain a sense of unity during their challenging work on the water. The shanties carried cultural echoes from the African heritage of the workers, blending with the influences of blues and gospel music to create a distinctive African American tradition of shanty singing. However, with the advent of hydraulic winches in the late 1950s, the manual hauling crews were gradually replaced. This technological advancement significantly reduced the need for large crews, leading to a decline in the Menahden shanty tradition. As the fishery transitioned to more mechanized methods, the cultural significance of shanty singing in the Menahden industry diminished over time. The African American shanty singing tradition in the Menahden fishery stands as a testament to the cultural contributions and resilience of the workers who played a vital role in the industry. While the decline of this tradition coincided with changing fishing practices, its historical importance and cultural impact remain significant, highlighting a unique chapter in the cultural heritage of the Chesapeake Bay region. As we conclude this journey into the world of Menahden, we have explored their fascinating ecology, vital role in the food chain, and their diverse uses. From their graceful presence in the open ocean to their migration patterns and cultural significance, Menahden have left an indelible mark on both nature and human history. Let us remember the intricate balance of nature and the interconnectedness of species, where the humble Menahden plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our ecosystems. It is through our collective efforts and responsible stewardship that we can ensure the preservation of this remarkable species and the intricate web of life it supports. So, the next time you catch a glimpse of these silvery fish swimming in unison or encounter their essential oils and meals in the products we use, may it serve as a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our natural world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Menahden, and may we continue to appreciate and protect the wonders that nature bestows upon us.